this with one hand. Let's see here. So 23 on the back and maybe half a dozen on the front. Pretty simple. Wow. Maybe 4 on the front. Simple as that. That's nothing.